Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is you may be watching this. Welcome to or welcome back to Figs Outside. So we're going to be doing a little review and a how-to video on the PEARCE Magazine Grip Extension. And this is for the Glock Gen 4 26, 27, and 33 magazine extension. And it tells you right there that it's for Gen 4 magazines only. And so here we go. And so with this magazine extension, you want to check with your local laws, rules, and regulations before you get one of these, just to be sure that you can have one. And with this, it move that. So it tells you on the back that right here it is for Gen magazines only, and this product increases the capacity of the subcompact Glock 9mm by 2 rounds and the 40 Smith & Wesson 357 SIG models by 1 round. And so this is going to be for my Gen 4 27 Pew Pew. This is my extended magazine that I have, and that is a G22 mag. And so with the factory magazine for this particular Pew Pew is 9 rounds. There's 8, there's 9. 9 rounds is the max capacity for this magazine. And so, like I said, check with your local laws and regulations. Most states allow you to have a high capacity magazine, and then you got states like California where you're only allowed to have 10 rounds unless you're law enforcement. And then anyway, we're not going to get into that. So we're going to be going over this, and I'm going to show you guys a trick. If you don't have the magazine floor plate removal tool, I have one. I can't find it, so I'm going to show you another way to do it in case you don't want to buy one, you don't have one, or you don't know anybody that does have one. And so with this, it will allow me to carry 10 rounds in the factory magazine. I do like carrying my high capacity. I will always use that as a backup mag. But if I want to be a little more concealed, I will have 10 rounds. And plus, I'm going to show you something real quick with this. And so there it is. It's factory mag, and it is I have fairly large hands, and my pinky hangs off. It's not very comfortable to hold in the hand. Yes, it is very concealed, but for quicker follow-up shots, for more muzzle control, you need to have that pinky on there, and that pinky just kind of hangs down there and doesn't really provide a whole lot of nothing. And so with this PEARCE grip extension, I'm going to be able to grip that magazine with my pinky and get higher up on the back strap, more comfortable, and I'm going to be able to control that muzzle jump a little more and for quicker and better follow-up shots. So there's that. And so get this ready. Tough little bugger. Okay. So here it is. Here is the magazine insert for the floor plate. There's the little dimple, and that's where it goes right here. Same with on the factory mag. It's got the little dimple there, the locking dimple. And so with that, I'm going to use just this square-headed screwdriver. I'm going to press that dimple in just a little bit, and I'm going to slide that magazine forward as much as possible to get that dimple to not poke up through there. And it will, it just comes right back, so you got to be sure you press it in there, make sure it stays down. And then I use a fairly large flathead screwdriver. You don't want to sit there and twist and pry, you're going to damage the bottom of the magazine. So what I do is I just slide that up in there like so, very carefully, lift this, slide the other screwdriver underneath it, and I'm going to make sure that flathead stays up in there, and then I'm going to press down, and there it is. So as you can see, the floor plate slid forward a little bit, and you got to be really careful. You don't want to just pop that thing loose, otherwise your spring, your follower, and your magazine locking plate will go shooting out the other that end, and you're gonna have to look for parts. So you carefully want to slide that piece off, use your thumb, control it. That's what it looks like right there. Then I'm going to take this piece, be sure that everything is lined up the way it's supposed to be, and I'm going to take the new locking floor plate, I'm going to set it inside there, make sure it's facing the right direction. So there it is. I'm going to compress that in there, and then you want to be sure it's compressed all the way. Make sure your sleeve is facing the right direction. My magazine's pointing that way. And I'm going to slide it on there real easy. So there it is there. Pressing down, and then click. Locks in. The little ear tabs are where they're supposed to be, and it is on there. And so now I have mag plate on. So once again, chamber clear, mag wheel clear. And now I have a place to put my pinky. I'm going to have a little more control of that weapon, and it's a lot more comfortable in the hand. So anyway, that's how it looks. So, oh, hold on one second. Ran to my safe and back. It was pretty quick. So here it is. Factory 9-round mag. And with the PEARCE Grip Extension. You can see the difference here. Added hardly anything. Maybe, I want to say, and it looks a lot from there, I want to say from the bottom of the lip to the front of the magazine, they are level. I might have added maybe 3/8 of an inch. It looks a lot more on the camera, but yeah, maybe ½ inch at max. So nothing. Pinky hangs off. There it is. So pretty awesome. Pretty excited to have that on there for when I'm able to carry, or I want to carry a little more concealed, I should say. So anyway, hope this video helps you out at all. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. And I will also post a link in the description below. You get these at PEARCE Grip, the Glock store, and also Midway USA carries them. And I think it was about $10, so more than worth it. And of course, before you just want to start carrying it, you want to put some rounds in there, take it out, fire your pew pew, make sure it loads and feeds correctly. And anyway, be safe out there. Have a great day.